to my channel. Here is a tutorial that I will be providing for you guys. So this is going to be a how to learn how to make ruffles tutorial. So I'm going to be using a project that I was unraveling just to demonstrate how to make ruffles. Obviously, if you were making this hat, you will go all the way around the hat, but I'm just gonna go halfway just to show for demonstration purposes. So everything you will need is your scissors, you will need your crochet hook of choice, and anything else you may need to tuck and hide strings after you figure out what you're doing with your crochet project. So what I'm going to do is just go like as if I'm finishing up the hat, and I'm going to crochet double crochets around, and I'm going to come back when I'm done, as you guys can see. Okay, so to start your ruffles, what you're going to do is you're going to double crochet 3 double crochets into 1 stitch. And you're going to do that for the whole round, for whatever round you are at in your project. You're going to do 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. So that's what you're going to see me do. That's the second one, and here is the third one. And what you're going to do is do 3 double crochets all the way around and then slip stitch when you're done. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to do half, like I said in the beginning, just to show you how to do 3 double crochets and to show you how to do the ruffles an easy way, so you don't have to be doing rounds and rounds of ruffles, and you can see that you can get a great turnout and the ruffles will be nice and big off of 2 rows. So basically you're gonna start to see that it starts to curve, and that's exactly what you want while you're crocheting your first round of ruffles. Everyone has their way of doing it. This is how I learned how to do it, and this is what works easy for me. You do not have to do multiple rounds, but you can do what you like. Add as many double crochets inside the stitch as you want to make it even more curvier. That's totally up to you, but if you want to finish your project fast, I think this is the easiest and best way to get your big ruffles achieved faster than the normal person. Okay guys, so now that you're done with your first row of ruffles, this is what it should look like. It should start to bend. It should start to go back and forth like a wave. And that lets you know that you're doing your project correctly. So this is how your ruffles will look when you first do it. And all you would do is slip stitch and chain 1, and then you're going to turn your work or either continue going around depending on what type of project you're doing. For demonstration purposes, this is what I did. So now we're going to move on to making treble crochets. For the last round, we're doing treble crochets. So if you don't know how to do a treble crochet, basically what you do is you're going to go around the hook twice. You're going to go in, go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. And that's basically what you see me doing. 1, 2, under, over again, pull up a loop, through 2, and then through 2. If you need an in-depth on how to do a treble crochet, you can watch plenty of videos on YouTube and everywhere else to learn treble crochet. If you would like me to show you how to do a treble crochet, then I can do that as well. But basically, that's what we're doing. 3 treble crochets now into each stitch, going to the end of wherever you stopped your ruffles before. And that's what I'm going to be doing for the remainder of this tutorial. 3 treble crochets in each stitch going around. So that's all you have to do. It's very easy. This is a quick tutorial. It's foolproof and it's not hard to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you're going to see how the ruffles came out at the end. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't miss a vlog, don't miss a tutorial, don't miss the behind the scenes of projects that I'm crocheting. Make sure to follow me on all social medias and make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this tutorial.